Good. Actually, it's my second year. I was here last year now. So.
That's nice. Okay, kamustahin mo naman ang ating audience ngayon, Clyde?
Hello guys, GM.
GM, yes, Clyde, I'll give you the microphone, but I think you can use this for now. Ladies and gentlemen, Clyde!
Great, thanks a lot. Alright. We can arrange for the slide on the screen. Kamusta guys? Masarap yung food. Okay. Ayun, good evening everyone. So I am Klein. I'm part of the partnership team at Kaya Labs. So I'm so grateful to be here and invited, and it's a privilege for us to be here to talk what we're doing at Kaya Labs in terms of mass adoption, and what's our focus and what's the narrative that we are doing.